fix WindowsService.exe has stopped working. Error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Solution 2. Install Windows updates. Solution 3. Update drivers. Outdated drivers could be the cause of this issue. Solution 4. Use Autoruns. Autoruns is a free utility developed by sysinternals, a Microsoft subsidiary, that allows you to view and manage programs and services that start automatically when Windows starts. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.